Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Dear students, let us find the expression for the fault current when an LLG fault takes place at point F in power system through the fault impedance ZF, assuming the fault is taking place between phase B and phase C. Here the terminal conditions are: as fault is taking place between phase B and phase C, the other line current that is related to phase A will become 0, and VB is equals to IB plus IC into ZF, and VC is equals to IB plus IC into ZF. Let us write the symmetrical component relations. VA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus AVB plus A square VC. Substituting VC in terms of VB, we can write 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus A square into VB, as VB is taken common here. We can substitute A plus A square as minus 1. So finally we can write VA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA minus VB. Writing the expression for VA2 as 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus A square VB plus A VC. Substituting as VB in place of VC, we can get VA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA minus VB. VA0 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus VB plus VC. Substituting VC as VB, we can get VA0 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus 2 VB. So by observing this result, we can say that the positive sequence terminal voltage VA1 that is equals to the negative sequence terminal voltage VA2. Further, subtracting VA2 from VA0, we will get VA0 minus VA2 is equals to 3 into IA0 into ZF. Writing the expression for VA0, that is VA0 is equals to VA2 plus 3 into IA0 into ZF. We also have another terminal condition that IA is equals to 0, but IA is equals to IA0 plus IA1 plus IA2, which is equals to 0 as per the terminal condition. So the symmetrical component relations suggest that there is a need of interconnection of sequence networks in parallel. That is, the positive sequence Thevenin equivalent network is connected in parallel with the negative sequence Thevenin equivalent network of the power system with respect to fault point F will be in parallel with the zero sequence Thevenin equivalent of the power system network with respect to fault point F. Here one thing we need to remember is the fault impedance 3ZF is connected between the negative sequence Thevenin equivalent network of the power system and the zero sequence Thevenin equivalent network of the power system. Writing the expression for the fault current, here IF is nothing but IB plus IC, as both the currents will go through to the ground, so it is IB plus IC. Expressing IB in terms of symmetrical components as well as IC in terms of symmetrical components, we will get the expression as like this. So further we will get, after solving this expression, we will get IF is equals to 2 IA0 minus into bracket IA1 plus IA2, but we know that IA1 plus IA2 can be replaced by minus IA0 by the symmetrical component relations. Finally, IF will be equals to 3 into IA0. Further, IA0 can be expressed as IA1 into bracket Z2 divided by Z0 plus Z2 plus 3ZF. So this is the expression for the fault current. If in case ZF is not there, just simply substitute ZF is equals to 0 in the calculations. Thank you for watching this video.